and welcome back to Bedtime Stories with Fee. I have a very special guest with me tonight. This is Saxon. Can you say hi, Saxon?
Hi, Saxon.
He would like to read a story to you today, and we are reading That's Not My Train. So should we read it to them, Saxon?
Yeah.
That's not my train. Its wheels are too...
Squashy.
Squashy. I wonder if you can find anything squashy near you. Maybe a pillow or a teddy that's really, really squashy. You squash it? That's not my train. Its windows are too shiny. Can you see the shiny windows? Too shiny. Can you find anything shiny around you? Wow. That's not my...
Red train.
That's not my train. Its funnel is too rusty. Can you see the rusty funnel up here? It's all bumpy and rusty. That's not my train. Its side is too bumpy. Bumpy. Its side is too bumpy. I wonder if you can find anything bumpy near you. Have you got a toy that's got a bumpy side? Wow, fantastic. That's not my train. Its roof is too rough. So we've got a very bumpy roof. Something rough. I wonder what you can find that's rough. Oh, amazing. That's my train. Its engine is so glossy. Its engine is so glossy. So that's lovely and smooth, shiny. I wonder if you can find anything that's nice and glossy. Can you feel it, Saxon? Yes. Well done. And that was That's Not My Train. What does a train do, Saxon?
Train.
Good boy. Can you be a train with us? Woo woo! Woo woo! Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed tonight's story, and I hope you've enjoyed Saxon being with us. And I'll be back again soon with some more stories. Bye for now.